Welcome back to Rituals. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. This is Rituals Money Talks, and today's topic is how to make $100,000 salary. Now, for some, it's like, well, that's not a lot of money. That's not $1 million. Well, only 1% of people actually make $1 million. Let me be honest with you. It's not that many people making $1 million, especially per year. Let's be real. So, six-figure salary, but you have to break things down for people. Let me tell you guys, if you're making $100,000 a year, what do you have in 10 years? Think about it. If you make $100,000 a year, what do you have in 10 years? Now, after taxes, you won't have $1 million, but you have accumulated gross over $500,000. But net, you did make $1 million. If you made $100,000 or more each year for 10 years, net, you are a millionaire. You were a millionaire net-wise, net income-wise. Now, after taxes and all the expenses and stuff like that, you've grossed over $500K though. So just do that times 20 years. So if you made $100,000 for 20 years, net-wise, you have made $2 million. Gross, you've made over $1 million. Congratulations. Now, what it depends on is how did you spend that money? But today's topic, once again, is how to make $100,000 so we can learn what to do with that $100,000 to get to that magical number of $1 million. All right, so with that being said, keep it short and simple. I'm going to get right to the point, let you guys know. The magic number to make $100,000 salary per year is $275 per day. That's right. If you can find a way to consistently, on average, make $275 per day, 365 days a year, you will make $100,000 salary. Actually, you'll make a little bit more than $100,000, to be honest. Do the math. You got a calculator. Go ahead and pull out your calculator. Tell me, 275 times 365, what number did you guys get? What number you get? And once you got that number, while we're waiting, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post more financial videos like Rituals Money Talks, what you're watching right now. So hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and give this video a huge like. So after you did your calculations, you see what I'm talking about. $275 a day on average times 365 will get you well over $100,000 salary per year. And if you do that for 10 years or more, you, my friend, have a net income of over $1 million. And if you do it for 20 years or more, you have a gross income over $1 million. How about that? So that's the key. How do you get $275 a day? First of all, you educate yourself. You make yourself more valuable to a company, or you make yourself more valuable to society. Whether it's a company, you work hard, you find the skills that they need, you make yourself desirable, you increase your salary. To society, if you're a business owner, you find a need, you supply that need, you supply that demand, you fulfill it, therefore you take in profit. Profit is the way that you get to that six-figure mark. When you take your profit and you find ways to scale up, always. Scaling up by increasing your income and decreasing your expenses. And that's how you get to those numbers. But the main number, remember, if you want a six-figure salary annually, the main number to focus on is $275 per day on average. All right. If you can do that for 365 days a year, you, my friend, will have an annual salary of $100,000. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for once again tuning in to another episode of Rituals. Hit that subscribe button. Once again, love you guys. Peace and we out.